Hey, what's going on, y'all? Thank you for joining me on another episode of JL Jupiter TV. We're currently here at Thai Sun, Pennsauken, New Jersey. I'm mainly making this video, so if you don't want pho, this is what you need to order. You need to order thin, they call it thin soup on the menu, but in actuality it's sweet and sour soup. Sweet and sour soup is the best because this is essentially what it is, sweet and sour soup, but you get all the veggies in there, and the broth is mad clean, refreshing, you know what I mean? You get the bean sprouts, you get the pineapple, you get the tomatoes, you get the catfish fillet in there. They got like this garlic that they roasted and then they throw it in the soup. Yep. This is about to be a treat. And then you match it up with the fried chicken. It's a game changer. It's a winner right here. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Thank you for joining me on another episode of JL Jupiter TV. We're currently here at Thai Sun, Pennsauken, New Jersey. I'm not really going to be showcasing the restaurant because it's like my local place that I go to. I'm mainly making this video to show you guys if you don't want pho, you know what I mean? Sometimes I don't want pho, you know what I mean? And I'm gonna show you guys what you need to order if you don't want pho. There's other alternatives. I know sometimes what
the fuck you mean, man?
Corny. This good. I'm about to put. I'm putting a corny emoji right here, man. We done heard it all, man. You need to order thin. They call it thin soup on the menu, but in actuality, it's sweet and sour soup. And I got it with the catfish fillet. And you have to pair it up with some fried chicken wings. They have fried chicken wings here as well. If you get the thin soup or the sweet and sour soup with the fried chicken, it's the best combination that you can get. Trust me. My American friends, the people that are new to pho, you come over here, you mainly want to get pho. But you don't know what to do. You don't know how to switch it up. This episode right here is going to show you what you need to get if you want to switch it up. So normally when I come over here, I get pho, right? But today I'm gonna switch it up, okay? I'm gonna do something different today. I'm gonna get the sweet and sour soup. Oh, you guys call it thin soup, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do the catfish fillet.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna also do some chicken wings too. And can I get extra chili peppers on the side?
Thank God for one of these. I'm gonna dig in that thing a little bit and get.
Eat it like how you eat crabs. Do me a favor before we continue, make sure you subscribe to the channel, follow the homies here, you know what I mean?
Prime Mega.
And shout out to all the new followers too, man. I think I gained 1,000 subscribers in like overnight, 24 hours. That's it? Oh man, I need more than that.
More than that?
Yeah. Thing about ordering at a Vietnamese place, the food come out fast and fresh, you know, that's what I love about it. We ordered it and within like 5 minutes, actually within like 2 minutes we started, getting our food, so.
I couldn't even tell them a story.
Yeah, so right now, as you see, this is the Champions combo right here, man. I'm telling you, come over here, you get you the sweet and sour soup with the fried chicken. This right here is like that great comfort food, especially on a cold East Coast weather like this. This is bomb. Like I was saying too, this has all like the veggies, man. They got all the fresh veggies in here, bean sprouts, you know what I mean, pineapple, tomatoes. They got like these fried garlic in here. I don't even know what this is though. What is this right here? What's that? I don't know what that is.
It looks like celery.
No, I think it's celery. Let's go ahead and taste it. That thing is clean, man. Good clean broth.
Word up.
And we got the fresh chili peppers here. Normally what you would do is you'll put the chili peppers in there, mix it up. With me, I like to taste the chili peppers, so I'll eat it individually with every bite.
Yeah, son.
The chicken wings.
He earthing that.
You get that. With that chili pepper in there, you taste it better. You know what I mean? I'm gonna show you right now. Look. See see the tomatoes. You see the pineapple. Y'all see the chili pepper in there?
I say you break a piece of that chicken off, put the chicken in there with it. Like a G.
Gosh, this is such a great soup. And you get the piece of catfish in there too. Man. Normally you share this. This is actually, you can share this with like 4 people. But I'm mad greedy right now. Y'all want some of this?
I don't know, I'm gonna try it, man. You making it seem all good.
You never had it before?
Nah.
Go ahead, do your thing. Eat it with the chili pepper.
Alright, we're gonna get a chili pepper. Got chili pepper on that motherfucker. What do I need to get out of here, man?
Whatever you want.
I want that thing in. Pause.
Clean, right? You like
Raw
it
for clean. We got a nice sweet taste to it.
sweet and sour. When you get all the vegetables in there, it's like mad refreshing, man.
I don't want this food no more, man.
Throw it away. Toss it over your left shoulder, right?
And that chili pepper, oh shit. Opened up some pores.
You want some? I get a bowl.
Yeah, man, I want some of this, man. Forget this flow. Take some of this flow, man.
There it is, man. Look at all the veggies in here, man.
See? Sharing is caring. Oh, thank you, Claude.
Gotcha.
Oh, man, that's too much, man. Man, listen.
Here, eat it.
That's too much, Chief. I got a bowl of pho to eat, man. Unless you plan on sharing this pho with me, bet. Shit, man. Thank you. Thanksgiving.
Shit already. Ain't nothing like it, man. That's like my culture. Whenever we get soup, the best thing to match it up with is the fried fish, fried chicken, or ribs. You know what I mean? Like, it's just pairs so good with soup.
Man, this is good, man.
Try a piece of chicken with it.
Got some okra, man.
Get a piece of chicken, eat with that soup.
How I'm doing it, man. Put the chicken, eat it, and then eat it. Pause.
This is the best part of the chicken too, right here.
Flats.
The flats, but this part right here, nobody really eat this part.
I tear that thing up.
Like the tendons and all that, eat all that.
You wasn't lying, bro. You got that chicken. You taste the sour and the sweet. Pineapple mad fresh too. And then you have some chicken.
So I'm gonna get like a spoonful of this. See the peppers? See this? And then I'm gonna eat it with some rice and some chicken. Watch. Get some soup in there too. Y'all see it? Then I got sriracha sauce on here too.
Remember, hella storm to make you proud, brother.
I think I hit a fire truck down the street.
Look. Eat that mother effort next time. Did I make my boy proud?
Yeah, it was good.
Shout out to my boy Memo.
That's actually the right way to eat chicken. You gotta eat the gristle off the chicken. It's the gristle right here.
You need one more of these spring rolls, man?
Maybe. Maybe.
I'm trying to try this order.
Pineapple.
You right, bro. When you eat this, you gotta take a bite of the fry and then eat this.
Yeah, whenever you eat like
It kind of balances out the
soup and fried food is like the best mixture, the best combo. People don't really know that. Well, I shouldn't say people, but look at all this. Look at all this right here, man. This is all fresh, organic, schmanic tomatoes. You know what I'm saying? Look at this. Try pepper?
Do I dare?
No. The middle one.
This one?
Yep. It's good for you. It's Thai chili pepper. Tried it? Hot?
I got me some okra, yo.
Oh my God. And you had a spoonful of them things.
That's how we do it.
Oh my God, it's like eating a forest fire. Real long blaze.
Ooh, put your ass in there.
I wasn't really a big catfish fan growing up. But the older I got though, I'm a big catfish fan. You know what it is about catfish I ain't like? But the fact that they call it catfish. With the whiskers and stuff.
Yeah. One of them fishes, you gotta cook it right. Can't mess that up.
Sometimes it ain't made right, it got a dirty taste to it.
Yeah, that's what I said. That's what I mean. That's one of them. Most fish is just straight, straight as it is. Bake it, grill it, but that kind of fish, you gotta know what you're doing.
It's not both I'm
Every bite is just so damn good.
Alright, I broke that up.
Yeah, man, you didn't even do don't damage yet.
Huh?
You ain't gonna finish that. How much on what?
You don't think I'm gonna finish this? I'm not
Hell
drinking
no.
the broth.
You ain't gonna finish it.
You don't think I'm gonna finish everything in this bowl? Perfect, man. You know who you're dealing with. I'm Ms. Griggs.
You want fried chicken? Cal don't eat no more fried chicken.
For the moment.
You know what that means? More fried chicken please.
Right?
Because normally Cal would go in on some fried chicken.
He used to be the king of it. I remember one time we was playing shuffleboard. And his mother played shuffleboard with a bag of chicken in his hand to preserve. Literally, man. He like, yo, Prime got one hand playing shuffleboard with a bag of chicken in his hand. You want one spring rolls, my brother?
Pass it on. Why y'all be lacking when y'all eat spring rolls? You're supposed to eat the lettuce and the pickled veggies too.
Well, I carry it up.
Get going. I'll check that out.
So this is For anybody that wants to know why is this here, just to offer a cool texture, that's all. But also when the spring roll is really hot, you use the lettuce to grab it.
Well, now I know, and no one's half the battle. G.I. Joe.
Look at this. Got crunch though. It's the last of the peppers. I should ask for more. Y'all see it?
All you can eat.
I'd rather eat peppers than hot sauce. Some of these hot sauces are too synthetic, man. They're making it so you can die. They'd be like a trillion Scovilles, you know what I mean? Thank you for joining me. Make sure you subscribe. And if you do get a chance to go to a Vietnamese place, order what I ordered and tell me what you think, man. It's the best, you know what I mean? Gotta have the fried with the soup. Alright? Until then, I'll see you on the next episode. Peace.